Guys, we're gonna give this fucker a go. We just dragged this thing out from the old shed outside there. This is a old Walmart special. As you obviously can see the string, she doesn't chooch anymore. So we're gonna give her a breakdown, give her a go. It's the old Walmart special. I think they went for like 90 bucks or something like that, brand new. But we're gonna see if we can break her down and get her going again. Oh, ain't she freaking cherry. Oh boy, look at that. Yummy. You know what? I bet this thing can fire up though. We're gonna give her some WD and lots of ether. Scrubbing bubbles. Doing her. Fuck, that's fucking kind of potent. Scrubbing her down. Alright, had to put the old fart rockets on. Didn't want to get any venereal diseases, but something's going on here with the pull cord. She pulls. It doesn't fully retract the cord all the way in. I'm going to pop this plug off. I didn't go too crazy cleaning her up because it's probably just going to be tossed in the fuck it bucket, but I'm going to see what she's got. Oh, that's freaking peachy. Look at that. Rust. Love it. Well, sucked in a little bit. Double her up. Can never be too careful. Alright, got the plug cleaned, cylinder oiled a little bit with some WD. We're gonna pop this fuel cap off here, which I've not done yet. Ooh, she had some pressure in there. That's probably some rancid gas. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to dump that out. Alright, so she was pretty nasty in there, pretty rusty. Dumped all the gas out. Gonna put in some fresh 50-to-1 gasoline and see if we got some spark and go from there. Alright, so I've decided I'm gonna remove the chain. It's just really bound up and rusted. I don't know if you guys can see that down in there or not. It doesn't really want to move very well, so I'm gonna pop the chain off. Maybe that'll free the clutch up and let it start a little easier. I haven't tried to pull start it yet since I put the fresh gas in it, but yeah, we'll see. Well, if that just doesn't look toxic. Alright, well, you guys get to witness firsthand me starting this thing. See how it works. I'm going to give her a prime. Full choke. Pulling hard, fucking witch's titty, I tell you. Whew. They had that on, didn't they? I don't know, boys. I'm gonna have to clean the plug again. I can't believe that just happened. This thing's been sitting in my shed for about 5 years now, getting rained on pretty much every day. That's pretty cool. Man, that choke really wants to. Getting tired. If I'm flooding it or thought it quits. It started, you guys heard it.